Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is March the 24th, and I'm using my new simple trading system. And I'm going to be showing you my new method I just came out with. It's called How to Master Day Trading. On this day, I did 7 trades. They were all sells, and basically what I'm teaching is how you can trade uh, different instruments. Now, you can trade Forex exactly the same way too, but I prefer to do the futures, the indexes, as they move a lot more and they pay a lot more. So doing whether it's one instrument, 2, 3, or 4. On this day I did 4. And I can show you how the charts should be set up on this new method I'm showing. This is how I start off with. On the 4 instruments, on the bottom 15 minutes, and on the top here is 5 minutes. I teach exactly how to trade successfully and how to trade using this new method along trading with the simple trading system. Simple system, I kept it as simple as possible. 2 moving averages, the Heikin Ashi candles along with the super signal arrows, and down at the bottom 2 oscillating indicators. There's only 4 triggers to take the trade, either blue for buying or red for selling. Cannot get any more simple than that. You will get an audio sound connected to these arrows, pop-up box here suggesting either a buy or sell alert. Now, whether you're trading one instrument, you should start off with one and master it. Then you can go to 2 instruments, then 3 instruments, and then 4 instruments. So this is truly, I believe this is truly the fastest way to grow your account once you master it. Now we can run a check on these trades. First one was the Russell. I sold them all. Drag and drop this up. Had the arrow from the daily trade plan. Super signal was back here. So Russell does pay $10 for each tick. So looking at the money, it should be 50. From here to here, we're looking for 50. There it is right there. Did have it. 50 ticks, and that paid out $500. The second position I took right here, following the rules within the method, how to master day trading. Drag and drop this up. It was a little bit before, so looking at the money, easy to see this should be 76. Got in at that point. Oh, that's as close as I'm going to be able to show. But it's 76, and that paid out $760. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is NASDAQ. So let's check out this NASDAQ. Wanted to be selling it. Daily trade plan said so. Have the super signal red arrow. So let's just drag and drop this up. Took this 811 right here. Took the money divided by 20 as it pays $20 for each tick. So we're looking for approximately 43. There it is right there, 43 ticks paying out $862. And I was so sure I was going to have a winner, so I just did another position. So we're just going to drag and drop this up. And this one here, let's just run a check on it. Took the money and divided it by 20. And this one here, we're looking for 53 approximately. So got in around this time. Close it out here. We're looking for, what did I say, 53. There it is right there. And that paid out $1,068. Okay, let's run a check on this gold now. Now gold pays $10 for each tick, so easy to see. This should be 161.6 or 162, whatever I can pull up. So drag and drop this up. Another one I sold. We have red arrows. We have red candles. Daily trade plan. So I got in here and we're looking for 160 something, 62. This one here is not gonna show me right on, but let's just say 162, and that paid a $1,616. Okay, now we're moving on to the one that definitely paid the most, the DAX 30. DAX 30 pays $3.75 for each tick, so took the money, divided it by that number. On this first trade, we're looking for 600. So on the DAX 30, let's drag and drop this up. So after it did the pullback, things were telling me it's going to start to go down. I'm going to drop it down to the 5 minutes. Very hard to get a reading on this one. Let's see now. We're looking for, as I said, 600. If I stayed in the trade, it would have made a lot more, over 2,000, but I was happy at this point with 600. That's as close as I'm going to be able to show, and that paid out $2,250. Okay, moving on to the last trade I did again, the DAX 30. Now this one was 2 minutes before 8, so it's a little bit before this point. There it is right there, as I said, a little bit before. So took the money, divided it by 3.75. Calculator says it's 1,115. So 1115. Got out at this point, looking for 1115. Oh, that's as close as I'm going to be able to show. 1112, but it's 1115. And all of those ticks paid out $4,181. So another great day of trading using my simple system and along with my new method, how to master day trading. I teach in the training videos how to trade exactly this way. And I added up all the ticks for today. Grand total came to 2,099, and that ended up paying out $11,237. So if your system's not producing, like my simple system, along with the my new method, recommend that you get your hands on it. And of course, if you have any questions, well, just get in contact with me. And don't forget about the daily trade plan, and also have my FibMaster tool. Have a lot of training and education, which is exactly what you're going to need, a lot. So you want to get in touch or contact with me, you can look right below this video in the description. You can get my contact information plus a lot of other information. Now you can pick up the phone and call me directly. I do answer most of the time. And of course, I really, if you can't do that, then just send me an email. Now I really do prefer Teams, so I made a Teams invite. There's a link right below this video. All you got to do is click on it. We'll have a Teams connection, and at that point, we can talk live, and I can answer most of your questions. And of course, we can even do some screen sharing. You'll also see in the description, there's 6 different packages. And of course, I do charge $250 USD for each package. And of course, if you want 2 packages, a special offer, that'll be $400. 3 packages will be $500. And I do have other packages that offer 50% discount. If you want to know what that is, just send me an email. At that point, I'll have your name and your email address. I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. And of course, I'll send you back an email showing you how you can get a 50% discount. Well, looks like it's just about time to wrap up this day of trading, wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.